This morning I thought today would be boring. I was completely wrong. That is the 43rd field. You have been counting since the motorway. There is nothing else to do.
Look at the hedgerows. They are beautiful.
Dad, that is not the right tune.
It is my version.
There is the old water tower. We are nearly there.
You said this would be boring. I said it might be boring.
You are here. Come in, come in. It smells like.
You have both grown so tall.
You say that every time, Grandma.
Leo, good to see you.
Hello, Grandpa.
Have you ever been fishing?
No, I do not think I would like it.
Come with me later. You can decide then.
Okay.
And you, Anna, come. I need help in the garden.
What kind of help?
You will see.
I hope it is not too muddy. That is a very big chicken. That is a cow, Leo. Which one is in charge?
That one. Her name is Henrietta.
She looks like she is in charge.
She knows it too.
There is nothing to do here. You said that in the car, too. I meant it then as well. Then why did you say okay to Grandpa about the fishing? I do not know. I think you are curious. I am not curious. I am bored. Those are not as different as you think. Ready?
I suppose.
What are those boxes?
That is where the chickens lay their eggs.
Real eggs? In there now?
Go and look.
Oh. Go on. You can touch one. It is still warm.
I know. I remember when I was your age. You did this when you were little? Almost every summer. Almost every summer.
It is very quiet.
Yes,
How long does this take?
as long as it takes.
That is not a real answer.
It is the only one I have.
This is the most boring thing I have ever done.
Give it time.
Do you like fishing?
I love fishing.
Why?
Because it teaches you to be patient.
And to be quiet. I am not very good at either of those.
I know.
Grandpa,
I see it.
is it supposed to do that? Yes.
Hold on.
It is pulling!
Hold on. Steady. Keep the tip up.
I am holding it. I am actually holding it.
Good. Now bring it in slowly.
Grandpa, something is pulling.
You already have it, Leo.
I caught it. I actually caught it.
That one is for tonight.
I am going to eat a fish I caught myself.
Yes.
How does that feel? Strange and good.
That is how it should feel.
Are these the right ones?
The soft red ones. Yes, those are perfect.
Grandma, when did you learn all of this?
I grew up here.
I just always knew. Do you ever get tired of it?
Never. Country work is the best work.
I am going to keep these eggs safe.
They are for the omelet, love.
I know, but they are still mine until then.
Fair enough.
Anna, Leo, come to the long field. Who are you? I am Lily. That is Tom. Everyone knows your grandpa. We have kites. Come and fly with us. Can we come back to the pond after?
It will wait.
Fire. Pull the string and then let it go. It is going. It is actually going. Let it go a little. Give it room. It wants to go so high. My arms are tired already. That means it is a good wind. I can see the pond from here. That is where you caught the fish? Yes, I caught a fish this morning.
First time?
First time. Whew. That is a good morning. Mine is higher. Woohoo! That does not count. Yours started higher. Oh. This is actually quite good. We have to go home for dinner. Already? Already? Come back tomorrow. We have more kites. We will try. We are definitely coming back. You said this would be boring. I changed my mind. Good. Good. Grandpa, can we fish again tomorrow?
As early as you like.
Do you think the eggs will still be warm?
The tomatoes definitely are. The sun warmed them all day.
I am going to remember today.
Me too.
Clean it carefully. You caught it. You finish it.
I am trying. I picked these. I caught that.
It smells wonderful in here. Country food always does.
Nobody move.
I am covered in fish.
Perfect.
That beng piosai.
That is going on the wall, is it not?
Dinner is ready.
At last.
Sit down, sit down. Everything is here.
Everything is here. I caught this.
You caught it?
And I found these.
Where did these came from?
Mine came from the pond. Mine came from the nest box. They were still warm.
That is today.
Now eat.
I did not think I would like fish.
And now?
I love fish. I began trying to stick prick.
I know. Look up. It is starting.
What is starting?
That bright one there. The North Star.
How do you know which one it is?
My grandfather showed me.
And his grandfather showed him?
Yeah, probably. It always points the way home.
Is country life always like this?
Quiet, simple, full of small wonders.
Yes, that is it. Did you see that? Yes. This morning I thought today would be boring. I was completely wrong. There it is.